Benefits of high protein-rich food. 1. Protein reduces appetite and hunger levels. Among all macronutrients, protein is known to be the most filling, regardless of whether you eat less food. The macronutrient will in general lessen the ghrelin, hunger chemical, levels in the body while supporting levels of the peptide YY, which further assists a singular feel with fulling. In the event that you're hoping to get in shape, take a stab at supplanting a portion of the carbs and fats in your eating regimen with protein. You can just add a couple of additional nibbles of meat while making your rice serving more modest. 2. Protein improves heart health. Higher protein consumption has been displayed to bring down circulatory strain levels. This brings down the danger of strokes and coronary failures. In a survey of 40 controlled preliminaries, it was observed that a higher admission of the supplement brought down systolic circulatory strain by a perusing of 1.76 mm of Hg and diastolic pulse by a perusing of 1.15 mm of Hg. Other than bringing down pulse, it has been found that a protein-rich eating regimen can likewise bring down LDL, or terrible cholesterol, levels in the body. 3. Protein makes stronger immune system. The body shields itself from different sicknesses with the assistance of antibodies. These antibodies are explicit protein types with the capacity to distinguish unfamiliar components or antigens. The body produces antibodies to deactivate antigens. 4. Protein boosts metabolism. Eating food can briefly help the body's digestion in light of the fact that the body utilizes calories to process and involve the supplements in the food. This is alluded to as the thermic impact of food. Since it has a lot higher thermic impact than fats or carbs, 20–35% when contrasted with 5–15%, protein admission will essentially support the body's digestion. A few investigations show that expanded admission of supplements can bring about 80 to 100 additional calories being scorched each day. One review proceeded to recommend that a high-protein bunch consumed 260 calories each day, more than that of a low-protein bunch. 5. Protein improves bone strength. In opposition to mainstream thinking, most long-haul studies recommend that protein can have significant advantages for bone well-being. Consuming higher measures of it can assist with keeping up with bone mass significantly better, while likewise helping bring down the danger of osteoporosis and breaks. This explicitly remains constant for ladies, who are at higher danger of osteoporosis after menopause. Eating a lot of protein-rich food sources and remaining dynamic is the most ideal way to keep that from occurring. 6. Protein increases muscle mass and strength. Protein is viewed as the structure square of muscles. Consuming sufficient measures of it keep up with bulk and advances its development while doing strength preparing. Assuming you're truly dynamic or attempting to acquire muscle, guarantee you're consuming adequate protein. High admission can likewise assist with forestalling the deficiency of muscle during weight reduction. 7. Weight loss. While a high-protein diet might assist a person with getting more fit, the issue lies in keeping up with one's weight. Studies have shown that an unobtrusive expansion in protein admission can assist with weight support. As per one such review, expanding the supplement consumption from 15% to 18% of your calories diminished weight recapture by half. A super durable expansion in your protein admission can go quite far in aiding in keeping off the overabundance weight. 8. Protein boosts energy levels. Protein additionally fills in as a characteristic wellspring of energy. Inability to consume an eating regimen that would give satisfactory energy to the body, just like the case during fasting or health improvement plans, would make the body utilize its own utilitarian protein to redress. Since there is no additional protein in the body, Chemicals and muscles separate protein to yield amino acids to give energy or orchestrate glucose. This would guarantee a constant stock of glucose in the cells. 9. Protein improves healthy skin. Protein gives solidarity to tissues that experience the ill effects of steady, similar to skin. Collagen is a sinewy protein that is found in overflow, which gives fundamental solidarity to these skin cells. The healthy and young appearance of the skin, and the absence of kinks on it, to a great extent relies upon the degrees of collagen present in the body. 10. Cell and tissue recovery. Cells and tissues should go through non-stop recharging and recuperation to keep an alive and well body. A consistent stock of amino acids is an unquestionable requirement for the arrangement of protein. This protein fabricates new cells and tissues, like hair, skin, and nails. The cells present in the skin, blood, and stomach-related framework start to die following a long time. After this, the protein starts to make and recharge new and sound cells to supplant the perished ones. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.